morning everyone. We are going to Gili Putih pemutaran, but this little one is scared somehow. We're going on a boat trip. Yeah, boat trip. That's our boat over there. Looks, can you see that? There we go. You'll be fine, you'll be fine, you'll be fine. Alright, someone is not happy. Okay, cool.
Like this one? Or this one?
Here we go. Our boat trip.
This one? This one?
Gili Putih.
Gili Putih, yeah.
With siapa namanya mas?
Hori.
Hori, with Hori. And the other guy, siapa nama itu? Pak Ketut. Pak Ketut. Okay, here we go. We are leaving. This is cool, guys. Really cool. With Mr. Ketut.
Terus di belakangnya itu Gunung Ijen.
Oh, Gunung Ijen. We made it, everyone. We are at Gili Putih pemutaran. I don't know if you can hear me. I forgot to bring my headphone. Maybe it's too noisy of the wind. I'm sorry about that. All right, so we're gonna spend in here our time. So we're gonna enjoy in here. I'm going to show you as well this island. So this island is not far from the village, from the hotel, from the resort that we stayed, around 15 minutes on that boat. There we go, that's our boat in there. The water is too shallow, that's why we have to push the boat, but it's worth it. It's beautiful, the island. Look at this, guys. I love it. I feel like in somewhere in Europe. No, it's somewhere in Hawaii. Do you guys have this island in Hawaii? Like somewhere in Asia. No, I'm in somewhere in Bali, which is I am right now at Gili Putih. Putih means white. Maybe because the sand is white. So Gili white. Here we go. Gili white sand. Okay, and all right, I'm going to show you along here, guys. It's beautiful. That's my daughter over there. It's fine. She is safe, and yeah, I guess when the high tide, this Gili, this island is covered by the water, I guess. But this is paradise. Another paradise in hiding space, hiding place. Hiding space. And it's so beautiful. I enjoyed it. Over there, I'm gonna go run. It's beautiful. Here we go, guys. I'm too old to run. Alright, here we go. A lot of shells in here. And I don't know if you can see the island. Which one? Oh, there we go. The big one. The mountain is over there. I don't know if you can see it. That is Java. That is Java. Beautiful, guys. And I don't know what we can see in the water. It's more like a grass in here. Yeah. No fish. Only grass. Alright, here we go. Man, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. I do like that little bit. You see that trees in there? How we go? I like that bit. Let's go there, why not? I'm gonna take you tour in here, a little bit tour in here in this area. People are burning trash over there. I mean, that's fine. I mean, it's far away from the houses. You know, it's fine. I mean, I'm not recommend, but it's okay because it's far away from the people in here. I do not complain that. And beautiful. That's the guy over there. He's my tour guide. Yeah, there we go. There they are. I'll put his phone number on my description. If you are along here, you can contact him. Yeah, make a deal with him. And here we go. That's my family. That's my wife looking for a shell.
Okay, there's lots of containers to put the shells in.
Yeah. Yeah. If Granny in here, she will love
Granny.
this shell.
She looks like that.
Oh. Can you say, Granny? I wish you were here.
I wish you were here.
Hey, say to Granny, Granny, I wish you were here. Alright, that Granny is in England. It's far away.
Well, you can make a video.
24 hours to get here.
Pretty
Yeah.
shell.
Pretty shell.
Shape on it.
Mommy, pretty
That's
shell.
pretty as well. I think that maybe coral.
Yeah, pretty shells, right? But we don't bring shells to the hotel. Alright, okay. Alright, I'm going to go to that trees over there. Can I go to that trees, guys?
Yeah, we'll come with you.
Okay, let's go.
I found one that's close.
Hi, Emily. Someone's not happy. Alright, here we go, everyone. We arrived in here. This tree is so beautiful. And someone's not happy at the beautiful island. And that's because she's a bit scared of the ocean. Yeah, but this is so beautiful to enjoy. Woo! I love it. 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 Woo! All right. I don't know if you know this. Call is feather sea star. Is it correct, Abigail? Feather sea star. Papa! I love this, guys. I love this. You have to come and visit this place. I love this island. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. So good. Here we go. I wish we can stay longer in here, but only 4 nights because kids need to go to school as well. So here we go. I will make the most of the time while I'm in here. Enjoy this beautiful Bali. And there's a big cloud, a big storm over there right behind us. Over there. But also it's beautiful. Yeah, good combination. Good combination. Beautiful. Hey Emily, say hello to them. Hi. She's still not happy. It's okay. 3 years old child. Yeah. Alright guys, I guess I'm going to end my video in here. I just want to show you a little bit more along here. There we go. This is the island in here. It's beautiful, right? And hopefully you can able to visit this Gili Putih. Yeah, Gili Putih. That's what it's called. Gili Putih. You can catch like a local boat. We pay 4 of us 500,000, and I don't know if that's a COVID price or maybe when it's normal it's back to normal. I don't know, but you can deal with the price, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. Thank you. You can check my other video. I'm sure I will upload more videos when I visit all the beautiful place in this area. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. I will see you on my next video. Goodbye, everybody.